name is Dr. Sakshi Gupta. I am representing 9M Care Limited over here. This is our first time participating in Düsseldorf Medical Fair, and it has been a very good, exceptional experience participating over here. Telling you about my organization, we are part of 9M India Group. This group deals in various things which are related to medical industry. Like our 9M India Limited, which is our parent organization, is into the manufacturing of drugs and medicines. Then we have its sister concern, 9M Care Limited, which is into the manufacturing of hospital furniture. We have our manufacturing unit in Bhavana, and we are also developing one unit in Sonipat. And every manufacturing, hospital furniture, you can think of OT tables, ICU beds, wheelchair, every stretcher trolley, whatever thing you can get in mind whenever you think about medical furniture, everything is manufactured in-house, make in India, in our facility. So this is about it. We have chosen one more thing which is very interesting about our name is number 9, that out of all the digits, why we have chosen this number, because 9 is the single digit, which is the last single digit, which denotes completion and compassion. So this is the number, and this is 9M Care, and this is how we are going to represent and implement all the 9 values which we have selected to deliver patient-centric solution to the entire world. See, this is the platform which provides us with the opportunity to showcase our product, the innovation and the science we are bringing to the products to the whole world around us. So we are having a lot of exhibitors over here जिनसे हमको सीखने का भी मौका मिल रहा है, and we are getting to know that where the science is leading us, so we can update the same, what is the feedback of the customer, right? So we are having an interaction with the customer, with our clients, with our potential customers, so that we can incorporate their ideas and expectations into our products, and we can deliver the same to the world in a high-end quality material, right? So this is why this platform is very important, and we look forward to being a part of such platform in the future as well. So this is very important to share the insights that what our country and what the world expects out of us. We had got many collaborations and many interesting conversations, and many promising collaborations are being happening. So we got time to meet and convert few of our clients over here. We got time to meet our promising clients. We got few clients which were having a conversation with us for the first time, but we got time to convert it to our promising clients as well. So it went very well, and we look forward to the third day, the final day as well. So excellent show with exceptional exhibitors. Thank you.